So we are walking into the snowstorm. It's been snowing since afternoon yesterday. Yes, you love the snow, baby. You love it. Let's go. They're cleaning the snow. This is crazy. I've never seen snow like this in Toronto. Toronto don't usually get bad snow. I come from Muskoka, so I've never seen the snow like this in Toronto. Yes, you enjoying the snow, baby? You enjoying the snow, baby? Yes, you get it, girl. You get it. She loves the snow so much. The snow is so high. It's so crazy. Well, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh my God. It's so crazy. The snow is like this, you guys. What the hell? This is crazy. Get it, mama. Get it. Get it. Get it. Yes. Get it, baby. Get it. Yes. Get it. Get it, girl. Puppy. And this is 3:30 in the morning. They're shoveling away the snow. I've never seen snow like this. Besides oh shit, I keep calling Muskoka Montreal. I've never seen snow like this besides Muskoka. Muskoka is crazy, but this is a city, a populated city. And she loves the snow so much. I've never really seen snow like this in Toronto. This is crazy. This is crazy. Yeah. But this is crazy here. I've never seen snow like this yet in Toronto. I've never witnessed a winter like this in Toronto yet. This is crazy. I've never witnessed a winter in Toronto like this yet. You guys think y'all still want to come to Canada? Stay in the nice warm weather of Barbados. Stay there. I miss there. I really do. I do miss warm weather. You like it, baby? You love it? I do miss Barbados. The warm weather of Barbados. I miss it. I miss going to the beach. I miss enjoying the sun. But this is what I gotta put up with for 6 months of a year. this is what I gotta put up with. This is what I gotta put up with. 6 months of the year. You good, baby? But it's so beautiful when it's sweet. It's so beautiful when it's lily white. But I've never witnessed snow like this in Toronto. Look. This is crazy. You think if I had a dog, I would be out here? No, no, no. It's just that because I have a dog, I got to take her out on walks. So I have to, you know, and she loves it. And this is her first winter. And she seems to really love it. And I got to compromise. Look, this is the kids' park. Usually I would count, oh, look at all of this. This is so crazy. Wow. This is crazy. Go run. Run amok. Go run. Go run. Wow. This is crazy. Don't run too far, babe, okay? Don't run too far. Come. Yeah. Yes. Puppy. You love the snow? Come. Come. She is loving it every minute of it.